Hi everyone, I'm Jens Müller, CEO of Ascon. I'm going to start with a video that hopefully makes my job a little bit easier. Once more. Okay.
The manufacturing industry stands at the dawn of a radical transformation, driven by digitalization and AI. Factories of the future must become more flexible, enabling users to interact in intuitive and immersive ways, allowing them to control industrial processes from anywhere in the world. The solution? Ascon Cube. With Ascon Cube, manufacturers view, plan, control, and optimize their value streams in real time through a single hardware-agnostic end-to-end automation platform. Ascon Cube extends the NVIDIA Omniverse platform by providing an IT-OT convergence bridge. It's a USD-based 3D pipeline that automates the physical world while integrating real-time data for an accurate simulation, visualization, and control. Digital twins provide a direct link between the physical and virtual worlds, projecting production assets and goods into the industrial metaverse. At BMW Group's Innovation Hub in Bavaria, Ascon Cube links several automated assembly and testing stations. Users can see a live view of operations and related information, run simulations and analyses, obtain forecasts, and much more. Ascon Cube also provides the foundation for the advanced applications of AI in manufacturing, not only for predictive maintenance, but also for live production control and accelerating ramp-up processes through quicker validation. It's a global first.
Okay, so now you know where I'm coming from. We established a company in the heart of the German industrial cluster in Stuttgart, 2017. So for us, it's probably walking distance to some of the German OEMs. And you know whom we are working with. BMW is one of our lighthouse customers. And to get that out of our way, the underlying technology of our platform is a time-sensitive dynamic graph model. And as you can imagine, that's pretty much a perfect fit to USD and NVIDIA Omniverse. We have probably our team has probably a couple of 100 years domain expertise under its belt, which also helps to address the challenges at our big automotive and manufacturing customers. For us, there are three major challenges out there to be mastered within the next couple of years for that industry. One is the traditional PLC SCADA pyramid is quite rigid, sequential, and not necessarily made for change. And we would like to address that. The second thing is significant shortage of skilled labor. So people who could program and reprogram what's going on the shop floor are quite difficult to find. It's also based on the age pyramid. And last but not least, we have a limited bridge between IT and OT. So what we are used to do in the IT industry with flexible standardized processes is not necessarily what the OT part of that industry is used to. And I will give you one example how we started to bridge that gap between IT and OT based on our graph model, also AI infused, and what you see, and that's call it the manufacturing lab at BMW in Dingolfing. And what you would see in the model is completely created based on streamed data. So it's not necessarily sensors, it could also be injected data, and it could be AI-infused data, first of all. So it shows a little bit the art of the possible what we do and how we do it based on standards, based on OpenUSD, and using and leveraging the capabilities of Omniverse. And we use it to stream it, to show it, to model it, to change it, and to put it back onto the shop floor operations. Maybe one important thing, and I was so glad to listen to Jensen's presentation yesterday, because the terminology of NIMs catched our attention, and what we do right now goes pretty much in that direction already. So we build a model of distributed agents which would read the PLC programming on shop floor, would take it up, would change it, would send it to Omniverse in order to validate what's going on, including geometry, collisions, and everything else, and put it back into the real world on shop floor operations. For us, a NIMS in practice, and there's quite a nice analogy, so NIMS in German, with one additional M means take it, use it, and that's for us, of course, with what we do, a perfect situation in order to work with predefined industrial models in future to help our customers to overcome their challenges. And yeah, maybe last but not least, when we think about the future, for us, it's extremely important to put solutions in place that would overcome the traditional paradigm of linear programming and linear execution, particularly in manufacturing. Secondly, think ecosystems. Third, put it on hyperconverged infrastructures. That's what we are doing together with NVIDIA and our partners. Thank you.